best chest exercise to grow a massive chest is the one that you can perform pain-free. Instead of doing underhand dumbbell reverse cable glizzy crossover raw liver GMO-free chest flies, you'll make better progress in the long term by avoiding injuries. Shoulder injuries are one of the most common ones in weightlifting and can be very difficult to recover from. Train safely so you can train for longer.
Right now we are inside Zara store and just looking at this. This is real dad bod. I've never in my life had this much weight. Look at my back. Look at all this. Next year, May 16th, 2023, complete transformation.
You had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak.
Training past failure is not the same as ego lifting. If you can't do at least 3 to 5 reps of a given exercise with exquisite form and a slow and controlled tempo, you might be ego lifting. But if you break form slightly or use a bit of momentum to get an extra few reps, you're training past true failure. One is to boost your ego, the other is to boost your progress.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की.
You can grow a chest like Arnold's by getting strong on key exercises. My chest was small until I was able to flat bench 1.8 times my body weight, incline press 1.6 times my body weight, and perform tricep pushdowns with 75% of the weight stack or more. Spamming chest flies will not give your chest enough stimulus to grow. You have to build raw strength, and that's how...
If you are no longer a beginner lifter, stop fucking around and move a weight that you should not be moving. Weight that feels way too light for you to be moving in the first place. If you're warming up your body like with chest flies and then doing some triceps just to warm up your joints and shit, start off with some heavy weight. Something that keeps me at base level tension. Bad thing about this gym though, they only got 70s, so we'll see how much we can hit with 70s on incline. I'm starting to feel my triceps.